Let's do this problem. Identify the location of following points in the Cartesian coordinate system. So here we have to identify the location of these points. That means they lie in which quadrant or lie on which axis, x-axis or y-axis, or lie at the origin. For doing this question, first we will number the quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this the second, this the third, and this the fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, both x and y coordinates are positive. In the second quadrant, x coordinate is negative, whereas the y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is also negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate negative. To identify the location of the given point, we will look at the signs of x coordinate and y coordinate and match them and put them in first, second, third or fourth quadrant. Also, important point here is that if y coordinate is 0, then the point lies on the x-axis, and if x coordinate is 0, then the point lies on the y-axis. With this approach, let's plot the points. For the first point, x is positive and y is negative. So it will lie in the fourth quadrant. The point will be 5, -4. This point, we can call this A, and coordinates are 5, -4. Then next is -4, 5. X is negative and y positive. So this point will lie in the second quadrant. -4, 5 will be this point. We can call this point as B, and the coordinates are -4, 5. Then we have C. 5, 4. Both x and y coordinates are positive, so it will lie in the first quadrant. So this is point C, 5, 4. Then we have point D, -4, -5. Both x and y coordinates are negative, so this will lie in the third quadrant. So here we have point D, -4, -5. Then we have E, 0, 5. Here, x coordinate is 0, and the points for which x coordinate is 0 lie on the y-axis. So this is the point E lying on the y-axis. Coordinates are 0, 5. Then we have F, -5, 0. Here, the y coordinate is 0 and such points lie on the x-axis. So this point will be this point, F, -5, 0. Let's summarize what we have done in this video. The quadrant to which a point belongs to can be identified based on the sign of its coordinates. Points whose x-coordinate is 0 lie on y-axis, and points whose y-coordinate is 0 lie on x-axis.